Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to find buyers for wholesaling real estate. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to find buyers for wholesaling real estate, right? If you are new to wholesaling real estate, how do you go about finding buyers? And really, it's actually incredibly simple. Buyers are everywhere, right? Real estate investors, landlords, fix and flippers, other wholesalers are buyers. You got companies that are buyers. You got hedge funds that are buyers. They're everywhere, right? So how to find buyers when it comes to wholesaling real estate is what we're going to talk about in this video. So the first place that I like to find buyers is essentially going on Facebook and going into local groups in your area and typing in, like, I'm out of St. Louis, so I'll type in St. Louis landlords and St. Louis fix and flippers or St. Louis real estate investors. And I'm going to join all those groups. So if you're in Cincinnati or Miami or wherever, go find your local groups. And these people in these groups are investors. They're people that own property, and oftentimes they're looking to buy more property. I'm in all of my local groups because I'm buying property, right? And I'm investing. So go find those local people and then look in those groups and see people that are posting deals. And then you'll see people below that are commenting with their email or saying, hey, I like this, send me a DM. And you can connect with those people as well. And that's probably going to be the easiest, cheapest, free solution to learn how to find buyers for wholesaling real estate. Now, there's a couple other tools that I use. In fact, if you head on over to freewholesalecourse.com, you can actually see some of these tools and see how I use these tools in real time. It's a free course, absolutely free, right? So head on over there to learn. But there's other tools that I use like PropStream and Batch Leads. And these tools are great for actually pulling lists of buyers, right? They're actually ways to say, hey, I'm looking for buyers in this zip code or in this county or even in this school district. And you can actually pull down a list of those people. Now, you're going to be required at that point to skip trace those people and cold call them or cold text them or maybe send them a letter or a piece of mail in order to connect with them, right? In order to start that conversation. But you can easily do so there. So we mentioned the Facebook groups. We mentioned PropStream and Batch Leads, two of my favorite softwares to use. And again, you can learn all about this over in freewholesalecourse.com. But there's other ways, right? There are tons of other ways. In fact, some of my best buyers I actually met at local real estate clubs and REIAs and little events that somebody would be hosting, around town to basically get a bunch of investors in the room and to meet. So do not discount networking. Networking is in fact one of the best ways to find buyers for wholesaling real estate or for your wholesale deals, right? So networking is key, right? Also, go on Craigslist and, find people that are making posts on there saying, we will buy your house cash, all right? Think about Bandit Signs. We're driving around, we get off the highway, and we see that Bandit sign there. It's yellow or white, and it says, we buy houses and a phone number on there, right? Well, those are investors trying to get homeowners to call them. So you can call them and you can say, hey, I see you're looking to buy deals. If I get some, would you be interested? All right. Another fabulous way to find buyers for your wholesale real estate deals is to go into Google and type in sell house fast and then the city or the zip code that you're looking for buyers in. And then look at those people that are paying AdWords to get their site up on top. Those people are paying for leads. Literally, you click on those links, they are paying Google for your traffic. They are good buyers. They're obviously looking to buy. They're paying Google. Also, all of those websites below that aren't even paying Google, but they're ranking for keywords like sell my house now, sell house fast, sell house for cash, and then your city or zip code or county or whatever. All of those websites are people that have spent time and money building those sites and doing SEO so you come across them. If they're invested in those sites, they're invested in their business and buying houses. So you can contact those people as well, right? So use the search engines, use Google to find these other investors. So we talked a little bit about Facebook, right? Facebook is a great resource. It's free. Start there. Talked a little bit about Craigslist. We talked a little bit about Bandit Signs. We talked a little bit about websites and SEO. You can even pull lists to find these buyers, right? Also, what I think a lot of people discount is that also if you're brand new, you can partner with other wholesalers and other investors that may have buyers already. So you don't necessarily have to go out and build this massive list of buyers before you have deals. My personal opinion to learn how to wholesale is go take freewholesalecourse.com and start marketing to sellers. Start there, right? That's where the magic happens. Without a good seller lead, you can't wholesale. It's just, you got to get a great deal. So start there. But if you're new and this is the beginning for you, don't worry about building up that massive list of buyers right out the gate. After you go get a good deal, maybe partner with other wholesalers. In fact, 20% of my deals, and we do about 100 a year, 20% are joint ventures with other investors. They bring us a deal, we bring them a deal, they have a buyer for one of our deals, we have a buyer for one of their deals, so on and so forth, right? So there is in fact incredible amount of ways to go about finding cash buyers, right? You can put up Bandit Signs, right? So earlier we talked about Bandit Signs, but in a different capacity. We were talking about you calling the people that are looking to buy houses. Well, you can do that as well. Or you can get Bandit Signs and you can say, motivated seller, call now. Or 3-bed, 2-bath, must sell, right? And typically we do this after we have a property under contract and we put it all around the neighborhood to get calls on it. But you can do that without a property as well, just to get calls and start to build your buyers list. My advice to you, if you are brand new, is don't try to go build a big list and don't try to just start copying emails off of Facebook for people that are strangers. Instead, start small, start slow. Go network with other investors at these REIAs. Find the players, the big players, the guys that are buying 5 or 10 houses a month or even a week, and get to know them and look and ask them what they are looking for. Then your job gets easier whenever you're marketing to motivated sellers. You can target in on a certain zip code or a certain area or school or whatever, and just be finding deals that you know that you can sell to the guy you just met at the REIA, right? You can eliminate having to deal with all of the building and managing of the buyers list by just having a couple key people. So my advice would be start small and don't try to go fast. Just start small and slow. And go to a REIA, go to a meetup, go to meetup.com and find local real estate clubs for landlords and fix and flippers and investors and even wholesalers, and go meet these people, guys. Find the big players in the room. Figure out what they are wanting to buy. In fact, I have a couple students here in my local city in St. Louis, and some of their deals are just stuff I'm looking for, right? Make it easy on people. Like, this is what I'm wanting to buy. Go find that. And they'll tell you that, right? Also, use Facebook and use these social medias and all these different places. But it's best to build your own list off of your own posts. Don't just start copying emails and hitting people up. But you can DM people that have commented on other people's deals and say, hey, I'm an investor or wholesaler. I'm going to be pushing deals out soon, or maybe I already am. Are you interested? And then if they respond back yes, then get their information, add them to the list by all means. But make sure they know that they're getting added to your list if you are list building, right? You don't want to just be adding random people. Even whenever you go pull a list, right? And you now have addresses or you skip trace and have phone numbers, you still have to connect with those people to see if they're investors and if they're interested in buying more deals. And then if so, here's how they can opt in. Or you just get on the phone and manually do that as well. don't overthink buyers list and don't overthink about how to find buyers for wholesaling your real estate deals. Guys, there's so many ways. In fact, the disposition side of the business, in my opinion, is the easiest. If you get a good deal, you're gonna sell it. And we will break down how to find buyers, how to find motivated sellers, how to use contracts and gain control, how to get the CYA clauses in there, all of it. We cover all of this over at freewholesalecourse.com. So I encourage you guys to go check that out. Also, if you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button, like it if you liked it, and drop a comment down below on how you are finding buyers for your wholesale deals. I'm always curious. I'm sure I left a couple things out. This was from the hip, but I feel like I gave you guys at least 5 or 6 good resources on how to find those buyers for your wholesale deal. All right, guys, signing off. Until next time.